The sky looks blue every day, but the real reason why does it look blue is much simpler than most people think. The sky is blue because of the way sunlight interacts with Earth's atmosphere. Sunlight looks white, but it's made of many colors, and when sunlight enters the atmosphere, it hits tiny air molecules. Blue light has shorter waves than other colors, and these short waves scatter in all directions when they hit air molecules. Red light has longer waves and mostly passes straight through, but because blue light spreads everywhere, the sky looks blue from almost every direction. But the next question is, why isn't the sky violet if violet light has even shorter waves? It's because violet light does scatter more, but our eyes are less sensitive to it. But also, on top of that, some violet light is absorbed high in the atmosphere, which means that blue light reaches our eyes more strongly, so we see blue instead of violet. But why does the sky change color at sunrise and sunset? Because when the sun is low, its light travels through more atmosphere, and then blue lights get scattered away before it reaches us, leaving red and orange light to remain, making the sky look warm and colorful to us, which also means at the end, if you liked this simple video, you would probably like to subscribe for more and check the one that you see on the screen. Thank you.